Hello, hello, beautiful Libra, Scorpio, Cusp, and or cross watchers. How you all? Welcome to my channel. I am Love. How are you all doing? Y'all, guess what? I'm an Aquarius, Pisces, Cusp. Okay. Have air, have water. All right. But we're going to take a look, okay, into your love connection for the month of November. Please know that these will be general messages, but I do offer personal private reads. So if you are interested, just check the description box below. Look for my email address. I do have it listed, okay? If you all are active on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, and you would like to check me out on my other social media platforms, feel free to just go down to that description box below. Click there on the links. I do have them listed. Let me see. Oh, again, if you all are new here, welcome, beautiful. I really hope you're going to find some messages here that will be helpful. If you all are returning, welcome back. Thank you to everyone that has previously liked, subscribed, shared, commented, or even just watched. I greatly appreciate it, okay? All right, so Libra, Scorpio, Cusp. Let's see what's going on with you all for the month of November in love. Libra, Scorpio, Cusp. All right, Libra, Scorpio, Cusp in love for the month of November. Looks like you all are trying to clean up some things here, okay? Could have just recently deleted some calls, phone numbers, text messages here. Okay, you could be in a situation where you're dealing with someone who maybe has a second number. Have a second number here. Let me see how you feeling about this clean up Libra, Scorpio, Cusp. All right, so somebody could have a secret app and someone could be spying on you, or vice versa. Maybe you're looking to see if someone has actually deleted some people or deleted some calls here. I feel like in this situation there's some jealousy that's going on here. Either you want more information on this person, or your person want more information on you here. Let's see, what is the challenge? Having this heart-to-heart conversation. So finding a workable compromise here. Being vulnerable enough to be able to express yourself here. All right, that's the challenge. Let's see, in the recent past between Libra, Scorpio, Cusp, and their love interest in the recent past. Okay. We got ghosting here. So you could be dealing with someone who's emotionally immature. Maybe you just recently found out that this person is kind of stringing you along here. All right. Or we have a situation where someone maybe kind of ghosted you because they were not ready to talk about some things. Okay. What is it that you know about this situation? You do know that maybe you are madly in love with this person. And it's kind of hard for you to control yourself. Maybe you know that this person is in love with you here, okay? Let's see. Tell me about the near future between Libra, Scorpio, Cusp, and this person. Smooth talker. So you are dealing with someone who is very charming. Someone that will be able to talk their way out of trouble here. Okay. So this person is going to tell you exactly what you need to hear in order to get what they want out of you and the situation. All right, let's see internally what's influencing either you or this person, going back and forth between two partners here. Can't make a decision on what we want to do. All right, the external influence would be like either you or this person just act like you can't let each other go. All right, there is a fear of ending this connection or ending this relationship here. All right, so what are your hopes? Possibly for some, you're hoping that this person that you're dealing with. Okay, for some of you all, you're hoping that you have a crush on somebody, right? And you're hoping that this person is going to maybe speak up here and express how they feel. You're hoping for early stages of a relationship here, but you could be fearing that this person is not really ready here to act upon their love, okay? I'm going to get some clarity, but let's see. Towards the end of the month of November, the answers are close, okay? A new beginning is close, Libra, Scorpio, Cusp, but the answers are close. Don't give up. Let's see. Let's get some clarity. Let's look more into the cleanup here in the situation. All right. So it looks like in this situation, you're very compassionate and a very nurturing person here. But you're dealing with someone who is possibly, wait, let me give these a shuffle. You're probably dealing with someone who's possibly closed off right now and is resisting. Let's look more into the situation for Libra, Scorpio, Cusp. Yeah, you're dealing with someone who you either have or getting ready to release here. I feel like in this situation between you and this person, it's almost like you are ready to surrender here. You're ready to release this person or the situation, because I feel like when it comes to your purpose or you knowing your purpose in this person life, I feel like it's you're realizing your purpose in the world here, okay? And you are ready to release and surrender what is no longer serving you, okay? Or who is no longer serving you. Let's look more into the spying with your feelings here. You feel like this situation is stalemate here. You could be avoiding some things, or you feel like this person that you are dealing with is avoiding some things. For some of you all, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or you feel like you just want more stability in the situation. All right, look at the heart to heart, which would be the challenge. The challenge here is until death tear us apart. So the challenge will be a commitment, maybe some boundaries here. For somebody here, you could be dealing with a Capricorn. In the recent past, let's look more into the ghosting. That little video seems like it's long. Okay. In the recent past, it looked like this person offered you love here. Could be a Taurus or Libra, but it looked like this person offered you love, but they was emotionally immature, and this love offer wasn't really like something that they was able to like stick to or stick with. Okay, let's look at the madly in love. What you do know is that you do really love this person, and maybe you are blaming yourself for some things, but it's like we are mentally sabotaging ourselves or the situation here. All right, let's look at the smooth talker for Libra, Scorpio, Cusp. It's a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio here. What are you moving towards? Maybe rekindling something. This person coming in so you two can rekindle something here. You possibly, if it's someone new, you could be moving towards someone that's very charming. And I feel like this person is maybe wanting to see, because Ace is about the potential. It's about a new beginning, potential for a new beginning here. So there is a potential for your emotional and spiritual needs to be met here. All right, look at the back and forth with the internal influence here. What's influencing the situation or influencing you or the person internally is divine time. All right, so it's not the right time. Okay, external influence here would be the expression of truth here. All right, and it's being, with this, we got Leo here, okay? Leo energy. External influence would be strength here, okay? I guess with the strength card, it's all about compassion, being patient here. Maybe it is also talks about the power of persuasion, or being able to like finesse a bit. All right, so I feel like the external influence is, I don't know if your person is able to finesse you a bit with their words here, or okay. All right, let's go to, or I guess it's acting as though they fear ending this relationship in their actions. But when the words, when it comes for this person to be honest and open, you're not really getting the truth out of this person here. Okay. All right. Let's look at the crush for Libra, Scorpio, Cusp. All right. So it looks like for some of you all, you could be dealing with someone new, and I think this someone new is kind of going to maybe reflect. It's like projecting things. So hopefully you're not projecting things onto your person from a previous relationship here. I feel like, let me see. We fearing that we won't be able to make a decision due to our projection, how we projecting things here, or due to, it's like with these decisions. Maybe your person is going to make a decision, decide to act upon their love here. All right, so let's see, almost there. Let's look at almost there towards the latter part of the month of November. You got a divine intervention, some detours, maybe some delays here. Okay, I see unity for somebody here. Okay, I do see like a tower moment in the month of November, but I feel like we're coming out harvesting the seeds that we have planted here. Okay, so let's see how your person feel. Libra Scorpio cusp. Let's see how your person feel. This person is investigating you. They secretly snooping. Okay, this is you, the one with the spying. Yeah, so this person is spying. They're trying to see if you are dating someone new, if it's a past person or if it's a new person. They're trying to see if you're dating someone here. Okay, I feel like your person is ready to remove the mask that they have been wearing and be open and express their true feelings towards you here. I do see the marriage card. So this person, they do see you as marriage material. You are someone that inspires them to create a strong foundation for marriage. All right, let's get you all some advice. Trust. It is safe for you to trust in this situation here. I do see it being a stalemate situation because we still haven't decided what we wanted to do here. That could be like that secret crush or secret admirer, all right? You do got to wait, so the timing is not quite right here. So it's all about divine timing. And awaken your heart center and let love in, okay? All right, y'all. So that is your message for the month of November. I really hope it will be helpful. Thank you all so much for joining me. Thank you all for your likes, subscribe, shares, comments. I greatly appreciated you all. I will see you all next time. Bye.